Okay, Saturday, September 26, 2009. One reason I'm kind of flying through these videos is because the shorter you make them, the easier it is to upload them on YouTube. It takes less time, and it's just eventually I'll learn how to do some of this stuff better, and I won't be in such of a hurry. But anyway, this is a okay EUR USD, the Euro US dollar pair on the daily chart. This is the 10-10 bands and the 14-day stochastics. Now I've been bullish this pair, which has been right and fine, but you got to be prepared to change when the market changes. And I thought this market might have a little more upside here to go, but right now, just the kind of action it's made here, it's made a turn lower, and the 14-day stochastics, you can see it's made a new price high here, but the stochastics didn't make a new momentum high, so that's an early warning. And then the stochastics has made a bearish crossover and shows that the short-term momentum is down. So basically, this is like an early warning here, this action that the market has turned. But I really don't take a sell signal here yet, because what these markets will do, unless they've really turned, is sometimes you'll think they've turned and then they'll make another pop up and stop you out. And you basically know what I mean. But they say don't try to sell tops and buy bottoms, and it's a dangerous area to be trading right here. But with the system I have, or the method, whatever you want to call it, if the Euro USD does continue lower and gets down in this area here, then I'll consider that enough of a trend change that we'll be going short. And again, it could just be a short-term correction in a bull market, or it could be a more meaningful correction. You never know that until hindsight. So that's why if you get a sell signal in here, you just got to take it. And that's where we are in the Euro USD. I would not be long this market anymore. I would be stopped out of my long trade, and I would be looking for this market to head lower, which it might not do, but that's what I'm looking for it to do right now. And then if it gets down in this area, in the premium newsletter, we'll be taking sell signals on the EUR USD. Okay, now we'll look at the AUD USD, and I think that's about the same situation here. We've been bullish. I've been, only wanting to take buy signals, only looking to trade from the long side, but right now that looks like it's changing. Again, this is like a little double top here, a new closing price high and probably a new price high on a 14-day stochastics bearish divergence, and the stochastics shows that the momentum is down right now on the daily chart, and it hasn't closed below the 10-10 bands. But if it did close below the 10-10 bands, which I'm looking for it to probably do early next week, then that will be another sign that this market has made a turn and made a top. And then again, I'll be looking for a sell signal in this area here. It'd be nice to go short up in here and then have a stop, but I just quite haven't narrowed it down that much yet to where the way I trade, um, it's more confirmation if the market gets down to this area, and it's a better signal. So that's what we're going with right now. So basically, I'm thinking that the AUD USD has made a top, and we're going to be taking a sell signal if we get it, which we haven't yet. But that's what we'll be looking for early next week. Now I'll try to throw in a couple more pairs here real quick. This is USD CHF. And again, this is another one we've been bearish on, and I think this one might be making a turn to the upside. Again, it's just basically that's why we follow these markets every day, because right in here it looked like it was heading lower, and I was expecting quite a bit lower, maybe, possibly. But now this action here has kind of turned things to where it looks like it may be finding a bottom here. And again, the 14-day stochastics has made a bullish divergence and crossed over. So I wouldn't buy this market now, but if it closes above the 10-10 bands and then gets up in this area, I'll get a buy signal, and that's what we'll be taking in the premium newsletter. And that's what I'm looking for to happen. It doesn't necessarily mean that's what will happen, but right now my guess is that this market has made a bottom, and early next week sometimes we'll get into this area, and that will trigger a buy signal for us in the premium newsletter. Now we'll take a look at Well, I guess that's about all of them. We could look at the JPY, but I think I'm just going to wrap this up. Maybe we'll look at that on a different video. So thanks for listening to my video. Jim Robinson, ProfitTrading.com.